Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video I'll be showing you how I made this tasty crunchy chin chin, a very popular and tasty snack. Please stay tuned. To make this, I use this flour, vegetable oil, sugar, milk, 3 eggs, margarine, baking powder, some salt, and nutmeg. I poured in a kilo flour in a bowl. Then I'll be filtering it with a sieve. This is to avoid lumps and any strong big particles. Also, the list and description and also measurement of all the ingredients are stated in the description box below. I want to use this medium to also welcome my old and new subscribers. Please subscribe to this channel, watch till the end, and if you like this video, how I made this chin chin, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video. Now you can see there is no strong particles left. I'll be setting it aside and adding my margarine to this. Because our flour is big, I'll be adding almost 150-200 grams of margarine to this, and I'll be mixing it properly. You'll be using my hand to mix it. Now this is how it looks after mixing it. Then I'll be adding other ingredients, other things to this. I'll be adding my nutmeg already grated to powdered form, the salt, baking powder, and sugar. Then I'll be using my hand also to mix all the dried ingredients all together again for even texture before going to add the liquid ingredients. Now because this bowl is small, I'll be transferring this to a bigger bowl. This is now okay, and now I'll be adding my eggs, the 3 eggs. Mix well. I like doing it step by step so that I will not be having a different mixture and a different texture at the end. So adding it one after the other is preferable for me. Now I'll be pouring in my milk. If you have water, that's also a very good option too. I like using this milk because it gives this milky, tasty flavor and taste to my chin chin. Now after mixing it properly, making it into this form, I'll be covering it with a clean cloth to allow it set. I'll be leaving it like this for an hour. After an hour, I'm going to take the clothes out and then knead properly. First, I'll be sprinkling flour on a clean surface, then bring out my dough and knead very well. Knead properly. See how nice the texture is. It's not too soft and not too hard. This is the perfect texture for it. Then after rolling it to this form, I'll be cutting it into 3 so that I can roll each of them out. Set 2 aside and roll out 1. The flour will enable it to avoid getting sticky, sticking to the surface. So it's going to help me roll out easily. Now I'll be using this to roll out and then use your pizza cutter or a knife, whatever you have, to cut into stripes all along your dough. Cut into stripes depending on the size and shape you want your chin chin to look like. Then cut across also to give it this quadrat or square or rectangular shape you want, you desire. Now see how it is now. 1 1. I'll be setting it aside and I'll be cutting the rest. Sprinkle some flour to avoid it getting sticky. Now see how I've cut it. Now I'll be setting it aside and then see how perfect this thing is, man. I love this. Please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. God bless you. Sprinkle some flour to avoid it getting sticky, and then heat your pot with oil. I'll be adding a liter of vegetable oil in this. You can add more depending on how your choice. Then I'll be adding 1 to this to know if my oil is properly heated up. By knowing this, after doing that, the chin chin will float on top. Then I will now know that our oil is ready. I'm adding some into it, and also I'll be stirring it gently and allow it to deep fry till it is light or dark brown. Welcome all my new subscribers. I make cook food videos, I share recipes, and I try make cooking fun. Cooking is not boring. You just have fun while doing this. You experiment, you use different, try make something out. It's fun. Now, see how our chin chin is now. I'll continue to fry it till it is a dark or light brown. I like it to be like this. Yeah, this is my perfect chin chin now. This is how I like it now. And I'll be taking them out gently, one after the other, and allowing it to get cool. This method is the frying method. You can also make your chin chin with the baking method, that is cutting and putting in an oven. That is also perfect. That's also another method of making this tasty snack known as chin chin. After taking this out, I'll be repeating this same process for the rest of the dough that I set aside. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching to this, and I'm so grateful for that you are part of this. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Bye. I am Chinenye from Nenye's Kitchen.